This full HD video in my Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials YouTube channel shows how to import bookmarks to browsers in Linux Mint. The memory stick doesn't need to be big, fast or empty. As an example, I will use Firefox on my Windows 10 PC and export the bookmarks to a USB memory stick. Memory sticks are sometimes called a thumb drive. In Firefox, go up to the three bars, open Application menu and click in it. Go down and click on Bookmarks, and at the bottom click on Manage Bookmarks. Highlight the Bookmarks toolbar and click on Import and Backup. Click on Export Bookmarks to HTML. Find the location of your USB memory stick and click on it. Rename file as firefoxbookmarks.html and then click Save. Use File Explorer to confirm HTML file is saved on your memory stick. Safely eject USB memory stick and plug it into your Linux PC. Boot up your Linux computer. And open your Chrome browser. Go up to the three dots, Customize and Control Google Chrome, and down to Bookmarks. Go left and make sure that Show Bookmarks bar is ticked. Then click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click on drop-down arrow and then click on Bookmarks HTML file. Click on Choose File and look for USB memory stick. Click on your USB memory stick and on the HTML file. Click on Select and on Done. As you can see, I have dozens of bookmarks. This is where I chose what bookmarks to put on the Bookmarks bar. Now you can safely eject the USB memory stick containing the Firefox bookmarks. Chrome has another method. Go up to the three dots, Customize and Control Google Chrome, then down to Bookmarks. Go left and click on Bookmarks Manager. Go right and click on the lower three dots called Organize. Go further down and click on Import Bookmarks or on Export Bookmarks. I'll leave you to do that. Subscribe to be advised when Create Linux Restore Points is uploaded to Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials. Linux is the best invention since sliced bread. Look below this video for a YouTube link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials.